What is going on, you guys? LyricStar1999 on YouTube. Well, this video will be coming out a little bit later in the week. Just to let you, if I can get this thing to handle right. I swapped tires. But I feel like it's... Come on. It's about the same the way it's driving. I mean, I'm not spinning. Come on. The only reason I don't have dip lock on is I want the ability to turn. Come on. I mean, it's kind of working. But we're struggling. Come on. We're really struggling to get this up the hill. What doesn't help is I got the big giant tires. And you would think that would help. But apparently not. But we're going to see what we get this time. Let's see what we get this time. Let's see what we get this time. Alright. Yes! We finished it. Well, kind of hope you enjoyed this episode. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you all in the next one.